session we are going to talk about living and the home furnishings. This video is definitely going to help you, this vocabulary is definitely going to help you to understand your living room as well as the complete home things, home related things like households and everything. In this, the living room, if there is one room in the house I want to be comfortable, it's the living room. Yes, the bedroom is important and the kitchen should have a nice feel as well, but for me the living room is the centerpiece. It is one room I spend most of my leisure time in, so it was to be snug. Here we can meet our friends, family, play games, enjoy drink together and just watch television. So let's improve our German vocabulary once more and look at the translation for living room in German or sitting or lounge. This vocabulary is definitely going to help you to understand and feel comfortable with your German vocabs related to your living rooms. Let's see. First of all, armchair, that is called as their Sessel. Broom, their basin. Couch, the sofa. Drapes, the Vorhänge. This vocabulary includes some of the other things also related to your house, like other places of your house. Like in this, bathtub is called as the Badewanne. Carpet, der Teppich. Cupboard, der Schrank. Dresser, die Kommode. Bed is das Bett. Chair, der Stuhl. Curtains, der Vorhang. Fan, der Ventilator. Bench is the Bank. Chimney, der Schornstein. Desk, das Pult oder der Schreibtisch. Faucht, that is der Wasserhahn. Bookcase, der Bücherschrank. Clock, die Uhr. Door, die Tür. Fence, der Zaun. Further we can also say fireplace, der Kamin. Hammock, die Hängematte. Lamp, die Lampe. Mat, die Matte. Freezer, die Gefriertruhe. You can also say simply der Kugelschrank. Home, das Heim. Lawn, der Rasen. Microwave oven, that is der Mikrowellenherd. Furniture, die Möbel. Hause, das Haus. Lawnmower, that is der Rasenmäher. Mirror, der Spiegel. Garbage can, die Mülltonne. Iron, das Bügeleisen. Lightbulb, die Glühbirne. Mop, der Mop. Garden is the Garten. Kitchen, Küche. Living room, Wohnzimmer. Oven is Ofen. Then we have oven mit, that is Topfhandschuhe. Remote control, Fernsteuerung. Shelf, Regal. Table, Tisch. Television, Fernseher. Pillow, Kissen. Rake, that is Harke. Sink is Waschbecken oder Spülbecken. Telephone is telephone. Vacuum cleaner, Staubsauger. Kilt, that is Steppdecke. Roof, dark. Sofa is sofa. Television, Fernseher. Was, that is Wasser only. Radio, Radio. Room, Zimmer. Stool, Schmähl. Toaster, der Toaster. Wall, Mauer. Refrigerator is Kühlschrank. Rug is Teppich. Stove, that is Herd. Toilet, Toilette. Waste basket, that is Abfalleimer. These are some of the words given to you related to the living room, which you can just take a look. Then comes the essential living rooms. Here we have some of the vocabularies like der Raum, the sofa, the couch, das Couchkissen, die Lampe. Der Tisch, der Sessel, der Teppich, der Fernseher, der Hocher, der Couchtisch, Bücherregal, die Blumenvase, der Kamin, die Heizung, die Steckdose, der Stecker, das Fenster, die Tür and das Wohnzimmer. Let's see few examples. Wir brauchen einen neuen Tisch. That means we need a new table. Die Blumenwasser gefällt mir nicht. I don't like the flower vase. Drehst du bitte die Heizung auf? Can you please turn off the heating? Ich mache jetzt das Fenster auf. I'm opening the window now. So again, you can just take a look. Those vocabularies are given to you with the perfect pronunciation and the meaning. Then comes some kitchen and dining room. So we can start with the vocabularies like their Esstisch, their Stuhl, their head, their oven, the microwave, their toaster, their Kugelschrank, the Arbeitsplatte, their Kuchenschrank. Then we have the Küche, that is the kitchen, their Küchentisch, the kitchen desk, their Küchenstuhl, that is the kitchen chair, their their Mülleimer, their Mülleimer, that is the trash bin, the Arbeitsplatte, das Spülbecken, der Wasserhahn, der Geschirrspülmittel, and Geschirrtusch. Then we have their head, the stove, Backofen, that is Dunstabzugshaube, that is Dunstabzugshaube means the exhaust hood, the microwave, their toaster, die Kaffeemaschine, die Geschirrspülmaschine, der Kugelschrank, and das Gefrierfach. Then what are the things that we can say for the cabinets in the kitchen itself? So der Küchenschrank, das Geschirr, der Suppenteller, das Glas, die Tasse, der Teller, der Hängeschrank, der Topf, die Pfanne, das Kochbuch und die Gewürze. Then come some of the household things. Den Haushaltsführen, to manage the household. Die Hausarbeit machen, to do the housework. Putzen, to clean. Sauber machen, again to clean. Staubwischen, to wipe the dust. Staubsaugen, to hoher. Das Geschirrspülen, to do the dishes. Abtrocknen, to dry up. Aufräumen, to tidy up. Hilfst du mir bitte beim Aufräumen? Can you help me to tidy up? Ich brauche 2 Stunden zum Putzen. I need 2 hours to clean. Lass uns zusammen das Geschirr spülen. Let us wash the dishes together. Then we have das Bett machen, to make the bed. Die Wäsche waschen, to do the laundry. Bügeln, to iron. Kochen, to cook. Den Tisch decken, to lay the table. Einkaufen, to shop. Besorgungen machen, to run errands. Then Müll rausbringen, to bring take the trash. Here we have the same words given to you which are very important with the pronunciations here. So you can just take a look on these. And some of the bathroom vocabularies. Like for the shower we can say the Dusche, bathtub, the Badewanne. The toilet, the Toilette, the mirror, the Spiegel, the towel, das Handtuch, the shower curtain, der Duschvorhang, the sink, das Waschbecken. That's it in your vocabularies related to the home. So you can just take a look on all these and just choose some of the vocabularies which you use in your daily routine. That's it. See you in the next session.